Hi, I am Ethan Sawyer, and I'm the founder of Sawyer Snow Services. We provide snow removal services to the community here in Juneau, Alaska. Even when it is cold out, Alaskans want to be outside, enjoying the outdoors. We want to make it easier and safer for you to do so. We remove snow from driveways, sidewalks, and businesses. The typical driveway costs $20 to $30, and businesses are done on a bid basis. Our resources are limited, but our low overhead will provide ample opportunity for us to profit rapidly. As owner of Sawyer Snow Services, I am proud to represent our high-quality work. I have been involved in the service industry for 14 years. I enjoy working with customers to best meet their needs. I also enjoy innovating and finding ways to be more efficient in my work and reducing cost to the customer. Here in Juneau, the two main competitors are Dave Snow Removal and Cook Snow Removal. They have been around for several years. We look forward to providing a more detailed service and better customer experience to those we serve in Juneau.